Galaxy Buds failing to power on is a common issue that many users face. This problem is often linked to battery depletion, firmware glitches, or hardware wear. In this video, we'll guide you through diagnosing and fixing the issue. We'll cover common causes and solutions, from simple fixes to more advanced troubleshooting, based on the latest Galaxy Buds models, including the Buds 2, Buds 3, and Buds 4 series. First, ensure your buds have sufficient charge. Place them in the charging case and connect it to a power source for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Check the charging contacts on both the buds and the case for any corrosion or debris. Use compressed air for cleaning. Verify that the charging case itself is charging properly. A faulty case can prevent the buds from receiving power. A soft reset can often resolve minor firmware issues that prevent your Galaxy Buds from turning on. This process clears temporary glitches without losing any paired device data or settings. First, open the charging case completely. Make sure the lid is fully lifted so you can access the inside. Next, locate the pairing button inside the case. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. You may need to use a small tool if the button is recessed. While holding the button, watch for the indicator light to flash. This flash indicates that the reset process is complete and the firmware glitch has been cleared. Finally, after the reset is complete, close the case and try turning on your Galaxy Buds by removing them from the case. If they turn on successfully, the issue has been resolved. For more persistent issues with your Galaxy Buds, turn to the Samsung SmartThings app for advanced solutions. First, make sure your earbuds are properly paired with your smartphone. This connection is essential for the app to communicate with your devices. Next, open the SmartThings app on your phone and navigate to your Galaxy Buds in the device list. Check for any available firmware updates. The app will scan for the latest software that can address bugs and improve performance. Install any pending updates. This process may take a few minutes and will apply fixes for known issues affecting power and connectivity. Finally, use the app's built-in diagnostic tools to scan for battery anomalies or other hardware problems. These tools can identify issues and suggest further steps. The SmartThings app provides powerful troubleshooting capabilities that can resolve many complex issues with your Galaxy Buds. Deep discharge occurs when Samsung Galaxy Buds are stored for a long time without charging, causing the battery to fully deplete. This is more common in older models like the Buds 2. To revive the buds, place them in the charging case and connect to power. Leave them charging for several hours or overnight. This extended charging can sometimes bring the battery back to life. Remember, this method works best for older Buds models. Moisture damage is a common issue with wireless earbuds, even those rated for water resistance. Let's explore how to handle water exposure with Samsung Galaxy Buds. Samsung Galaxy Buds have an IPX7 water resistance rating, meaning they can handle being submerged in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. However, this rating isn't foolproof and doesn't cover damage from heavy exposure, sweat, or high-pressure water. When moisture enters the earbuds, it can damage internal components like the battery and circuitry, leading to power failures or complete malfunction. If your buds have been exposed to moisture, the first step is thorough drying. A popular method is placing the earbuds in a container of uncooked rice for 24 to 48 hours. The rice absorbs moisture from the device. Be very cautious when using rice, as small particles can get inside the device and cause additional damage. Use a sealed plastic bag or container to contain the rice and prevent particles from entering the earbuds. After drying, ensure the earbuds are completely moisture-free before trying to charge or turn them on. This may take up to 48 hours. You can test by placing them in the case and checking if they charge or respond to pairing attempts. If none of the previous steps work, your buds may have a hardware issue requiring professional repair. If your buds are still under Samsung's 1-year warranty, contact Samsung support or visit an authorized service center for free diagnostics. Repairing the buds yourself can void the warranty, so proceed with caution. Consider repairability score and DIY kits only after warranty has expired. To prevent future issues with your Galaxy Buds, establish good maintenance habits. Charge your buds regularly every 1 to 2 weeks to avoid battery degradation and deep discharge states that can make them unresponsive. Store your buds properly in their charging case when not in use. This protects the battery and ensures they're always ready for connection. Keep an eye on firmware updates through the SmartThings app. Regular updates address bugs and improve overall stability of your buds. Looking ahead, exciting trends promise to make buds even more reliable. AI-assisted diagnostics will predict and prevent issues before they occur, while self-healing batteries in future models like the Buds 5 will automatically recover from power problems. Augmented reality guides and apps will provide interactive troubleshooting help. By following these prevention tips and staying aware of future developments, you'll keep your Galaxy Buds healthy and minimize power-related issues.